joy and heartfelt gratitude that we welcome you to Afternoon Interlude, a reunion of friends and music. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Gail, the second to the eldest daughter of Lulu Guevara, and I will be your host for today, by coercion of Tita Annie. In a world that moves swiftly, how rare and precious it is to pause, to reconnect, to remember, and to rejoice in the beauty of shared moments. Today, music becomes our bridge between past and present, between friends and kindred spirits. May this afternoon be a gentle pause in your week, a breath of something beautiful and something expensive, because it's an expensive trip for everyone. Thank you for being here. And to formally open today's program, I'd like to call in Tita Amy for her welcome remarks.